Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwara addressed the alleged Hampi rape incident in which two women were gang raped in Hampi. Two women, one from Kopal and one from Israel, along with three of their male companions were attacked, after which one of them was discovered dead. Parameshwara stated that the government is treating the problem seriously. He affirmed that local authorities have already made arrests and that top police officers have been sent to the spot.
No, many people have already been arrested, and some more information I have to get, and then I will react to that later.
Is there any special team for that?
No, locally the SP will constitute the team. IG has already gone there. We have sent IG, and definitely we will be very serious in this case.
Yesterday,